A hallway tends to be one of the darkest areas in the home, and this particular hall just has a very small light up on the ceiling. Is all the light they provided in this area. But you can actually flood this entire area and influence the adjacent areas throughout the daylight hours by installing a skylight. Now, a traditional skylight has a little glass frame or acrylic frame sitting on the roof, and then you have to build down a tunnel in order to get to the ceiling level. Well, it's a lot easier with a tubular skylight. Let me show you how they work. First of all, you take this is the lens that attaches right to the ceiling itself, kind of looks like a large recessed light. Then you have this that attaches under your shingles up on your roof to allow the natural sunlight in. Then it travels down through to your rooms through these highly reflective tubes. And these are really nice because they're adjustable so that you don't have to have a straight shot from your ceiling all the way to the roof. You can actually turn these tubes a little bit to accommodate anything that you may have in your way in the attic space itself. Now, the thing about this that's so nice is it's providing so much light in this area, and you don't have to use any electricity at all like these homeowners are doing now.